Okay, so we got, I'm going to have a negative and a 3 over 2. Okay, because those can't divide, we can just leave them alone. Okay, for the top, I'm going to have x to the, what?
0.
X to the
0.
It's going to be 0, so it's going to be 2 minus 2, the top minus the bottom. Okay, y to the what?
2.
Slow down, Reese. 3 minus 1. Okay, and so just to simplify a little more, and I know some of you guys don't need to do all this, but what is the 2 minus 2 going to give you? 0. 3 minus 1? 2. Okay, what happens to that x to the 0? It kind of crosses out, okay? And then do we have anything else to move around? No. Okay, so I got y to the 2 over, I said that all jacked up. I was reading it right in my head. Okay, 23. We can draw our fraction bar. What can we fill in? The 2 goes on the bottom. Okay, you're going to have y to the what?
1 minus
1 minus 4. X to the 4 minus 2.
Good job, Trey.
Okay, it's always top minus bottom. Okay, so you're going to have y to the what? What's 1 minus 4? Negative 3. X to the 4 minus 2. It's going to be 2. And we're going to have a 2 on the bottom. Okay, are we finished?
No,
No? Why not?
because there's a negative.
We got to move that negative. So where does that y to the negative 3 go? Oh, shoot. I'm writing it back on the top. So we got y to the 3. The x to the 2 stays on top. Where's that 2 go? On the bottom. Okay, 25. What can we fill in already? 3. Okay, on the top I'm going to have v to the what?
V to the
1 minus 1. U to the 4 minus 3. Okay, so on the top I got, what is 1 minus 1? 0. U to the 1. Okay, are we finished?
Yeah. No, you gotta cross out.
We can cross out the v, why?
Because you don't need it.
Yeah, so v to the 0 is 1, okay? If it makes you feel better to put the 1, put the 1. It doesn't matter, okay? But it's just going to be u to the 1 over 3. Okay, 27. So, does 2 go into 4? 2 times. So, you could divide everything by 2. And if you're not sure if that fraction simplifies, type it in on your calculator because it will spit you out the lowest form of that fraction. Okay? However, for today, if you leave it, I'll give you credit for it, but don't get in a habit, okay? So 2 can go into 2 how many times? 1. 2 can go into 4 how many times? 2. Okay, so that's going to be our new fraction. Okay, on the top we got x to the what?
X to the
1 minus negative 2. Y to the 4 minus 4. Okay, what's that minus minus?
1 plus.
Plus.
So x to the 3.
So you're going to have negative 1, x to the 3, y to the 0 over 2. Okay, are we finished? Why not? We got that 1, or y to the 0, which is going to be 1. Okay, so it's really just negative 1, x to the 3rd over 2. Okay, look at 29. It's the last one. What can you fill in? The negative 4 on the bottom. Okay, you're going to have v to the...
1 minus 2.
Okay. Is there anything to subtract for the u?
No. So we should put the u up there.
You're just going to leave the u alone. Okay, so leave the u where it's at. What if you move the u up? What would it become? What happens when you move a u down? It becomes positive. So what happens if we move the u up? Yeah, so if you wrote it on the top, you would have to write u to the negative 3, okay? So this minus minus is going to become a plus. And so what we're going to be left with is going to be v to the 3 on top, negative 4u to the 3 on the bottom. Okay, go through and do all of the even ones. Okay, remember on just the numbers, we leave them. Okay, so you can leave the base the same, and you leave them. You don't have to square anything or do anything fancy. Okay.